This video, I actually decided to create kasi naghahanap ako ng mga tutorial kung paano ka mag-vlog or paano ka mag-start ng YouTube channel mo just using your phone or kung ano man yung meron ka. So for me personally, I have my phone. I also have an iPad. So gusto kong i-leverage yung mga bagay na meron na ako para makapag-start na or maging consistent sa pag-grow ng YouTube channel ko. So which means posting long form videos like this. So I wanna be able to share kung ano yung journey ko, kung ano yung mga ginagawa ko ngayon. Kasi wala talaga akong mahanap na updated na tutorial kung paano ka nga ba gumawa ng YouTube channel or gumawa ng mga videos. Kasi I am also trying to grow my YouTube channel. I started posting 3 years ago and hindi talaga ako consistent. Saka lang ako nag-a-upload kapag merong mga events, especially like my birthday. Palaging nagpo-post ako ng mga birthday vlogs. But I didn't want to stop there. Even though mixed yung channel ko ngayon, like wala pa talaga siyang like clear direction or talagang isang path. Pero basically, what I want to do in this channel kasi is to share my life as a VA or someone working from home and everything in between. So basically, just trying to build a better life by leveraging online opportunities. So since I'm already earning as a virtual assistant, gusto ko din mag-venture or mag-explore ng mga other income opportunities kasi marami akong nakikita kasi talaga na opportunities to earn money online. And yung focus ko is yung sa affiliate marketing, both Shopee and TikTok, and also yung content creation. So whether it's brand collaborations, mga sponsorships, ganyan. So yun yung gusto kong masubukan talaga. Even though I have like mga UGC collaborations in the past, most of them are X deals. And ngayon kasi parang for me, hindi ko siya ma-prioritize even though tumatanggap pa rin naman ako ng mga X deals, especially if I really love the product or I want to try the product. Ngayon kasi gusto kong matry talaga yung paid kasi ano siya sa time mo, mas worth it. It's really not just about the money. I really want to start building my personal brand na din talaga because I've been posting on social media for the past ilang years na talaga, almost 10 years. Pero hindi ako consistent at wala talagang direction kumbaga. Pero this time, I want it to be something like, kumbaga yung pinaka-main siguro or pinaka-main direction ko is yung mapakita sa inyo kung ano yung mga possible income opportunities online. So, since meron akong experience sa pagiging VA, working from home as a freelancer, pwede ko ma-share yun and kung ano yung mga pinagagawa ko outside to show you na I'm also still learning and, unlike sa mga makikita nyo talaga, di ba, na meron na talaga silang experience, meron na silang mga gusto kong maiba. So, hindi ko alam if merong gumagawa ng ganito. It would be nice if meron akong makitang someone actually, kasi naghahanap kasi talaga ako ng inspiration or yung makakatulong or like mga YouTube videos ba on how you can create videos with just your iPhone, ganyan. Wala na kasi talaga akong makita na updated. Most of the results kasi na lumalabas is yung mga 1 year ago and mga ilang years na. So, parang hindi na siya updated. Pero, I think naman na meron pa rin naman ako mapupulot. It's just that mas naghahanap kasi ako ng mas more updated, especially yung tipo na same phone na meron ako. But anyway, since wala pa akong makita, I decided to just document this and, at least man lang mapakita na nagtitake action na ako and this is actually just using my iPad. Ewan ko, gusto ko siyang gamitin today. Basically, I really just wanted to like use whatever I have right now kasi malapit na ako mabudol. Kasi nakakita ako ng super good deal ng DJI Osmo Action 4 and it seems like maganda pa rin naman siya gamitin this year. It's just, parang nagbibigay lang ako ng excuse sa sarili ko ba na what if bumili ako nun and parang makakatulong siya whenever I go out tapos hindi na siya masyadong bulky, hindi siya, like madali lang siyang gamitin to like start recording if you're outside. Pero I guess it's just something na want ko lang talaga. Tapos yung pinaka-goal ko lang naman kasi is if bibili ako ng vlogging camera or action camera, gusto ko kasi nanggaling talaga siya sa content creation efforts ko. Since nag-upgrade kasi ako ng phone, yung reason ko talaga is para mas better yung camera, ganyan. I keep upgrading pero until now, wala pa rin akong nakikita na talagang, nagamit ko talaga siya. So, yan yung focus ko ngayon, which is talagang gamitin ko kung anong meron na ako instead of really looking for more things or looking to upgrade. Hindi ko pa nagagamit ng masyado or na-maximize kung ano yung mga meron na ako. So, I'm trying to be more intentional and tinatry ko talaga na So, I'm gonna stop checking Shopee right now kasi parang almost 1 week every day, every single day nagche-check ako kasi baka bumaba na naman yung mga prices ng action cam, but ayokong bumili pag hindi siya galing sa content creation. I'm already like earning onti lang naman sa TikTok affiliate and gusto ko siyang ma-increase kasi yun yung parang start ng savings ko to buy my dream vlogging camera. Ayun, I am still really working to increase my commissions, ganyan. Pero most of the things that I'm posting kasi is more on mga tips, ganyan, to really just build connection and be able to like share information. And alam mo yun, gusto ko kasing makapag-share talaga ng kung anong nalalaman ko because if hindi ko siya ma-share, useless siya and parang wala akong matutulungan. So, ayun siya. And yung motto ko is start with what you have. And I'm just really documenting kung ano yung mga pinagagawa ko ngayon in case na meron akong ma-encourage or ma-inspire. That's already a win for me. And besides, every time na nakakapag-post ako, I'm becoming more confident sa pagsasalita ko sa camera. And also, I'm able to develop my communication skills, yung paano ko mag-structure kasi kapag nagre-record ako, wala kasi talaga akong script. So, all over the place pa yung structure or yung the way I deliver the topic. So, parang mahirap siya. Pero, again, I'm trying or what I'm currently doing is really just making things easy for me and convenient para hindi na ako makapagbigay ng excuse kung bakit hindi ako nakakagawa ng mga videos. So, that's why I'm still posting kahit hindi perfect, kahit hindi maganda yung setup, ganyan. Because I know na kapag nagkaroon naman na tayo ng results dito sa ating ginagawa, we will be able to upgrade things. Kasi yun yung nangyari sa akin as a virtual assistant. Nag-start lang ako sa second-hand laptop, tapos mumurahin na headset. And alam mo yun, with the help of noise cancelling software, okay naman siya sa aking paghanap ng clients and I was able to like become a cold caller. So yun yung iniisip ko na lang talaga na if I was able to do that, kahit wala akong experience as a VA, alam ko na magkakaroon din ako ng result as someone who's trying to grow as a content creator. So yun yung iniisip ko na lang talaga ngayon. And I really feel like if I keep going, magkakaroon din ako ng result na mapaproud ako sa sarili ko. I actually am already proud with the progress that I'm seeing sa sarili ko because kahit ngayon, marami pa rin naman akong ideas. Pero yung kaibahan lang is yung dating ako is like puro lang talaga ideas, walang execution. So ngayon, I'm trying to like start executing on my ideas. So kagaya ngayon na nagkaroon ako ng idea na gumawa ng video, talagang kinuha ko na agad yung iPad at nag-start na mag-record nitong video. So this is me showing you that you don't have to make things complicated. If you really want to start, just use whatever you have. Kasi yung mga phones ngayon, magaganda na talaga yung mga quality ng camera. So I really do think na ang kailangan mo lang talaga para makapag-start is yung phone mo, magandang wireless mic, or yung tipong mic na mas ma-improve yung audio quality. Kasi sabi nga nila, your audience can actually tolerate bad video, but they can tolerate bad audio. Kailangan mo talaga ng magandang audio, especially if you're talking like this. And another thing is, kailangan mo ng phone stand just to make sure na stable yung video mo. Actually ngayon, since I'm using my iPad, pinatong ko lang siya sa phone stand ko na meron ako sa desk. Sinandal ko siya dito sa may lagayan ng laptop. Kaya siya ganyan. Di ko alam kung anong magiging quality nito pero it's actually in HD 60 FPS. So, wala kasing 4K tong iPad na to. It's the iPad 9th Gen. So, ayan siya. And I'm using the front camera apps. I was able to like post a YouTube video using this already. Well, anyway, I don't know if merong manonood nito pero I really just wanted to share kung ano yung pinagagawa ko ngayon. Even if walang manood nito, it's okay. As long as I can look back to the things that I'm doing para sa future, if, nagkaroon na tayo ng result, we will be able to see kung ano yung mga ginawa natin para maabot natin yung level na yun. I guess, totoo yung sinasabi nila na marami ka talaga matututunan when it comes to content creation. Hindi lang about sa pag-post, hindi lang about sa equipment and everything. You can also like discover more about yourself and that's really something na parang nagustuhan ko dito sa journey ko. So, if you're also trying to start your content creation journey, this is your sign to start. Kahit phone lang meron ka, wala kang vlogging camera like me, kaya natin gawin to. Kasi yung natututunan ko so far, if you really want to like work with brands, yung hinahanap naman kasi talaga nila is hindi yung perfect setup. I mean, of course, the quality of your content or the video quality is important. Pero yung mas important kasi is how you are able to connect with the audience. And, especially if you're trying to promote something, mas madali ka kasi makapag-build ng trust if you have a connection with your audience. And yun yung tinitingnan nung mga brands. So, that's what I'm trying to really develop. And hindi ko siya magagawa if hindi ako magiging confident sa sarili ko. If you want to see more of my videos, kung paano ako gumagawa ng video using my phone and iPad, just comment below. Tapos gagawa natin yan ng video sa susunod. And I'm actually planning to create a video with the tools that I think is important or things that you need to start, mga ganun. So stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you on my next one.